Bird conservationists in South Africa announced that 63 endangered African penguins were killed by a bee swarm in a rare event near Cape Town. National park officials told the BBC that this was the first known bee attack on the world-famous Builders Beach, which attracts close to 60,000 visitors a year. Marine biologist from the South African National Parks Agency Dr. Alison Cox said, "Usually penguins and bees coexist and bees do not sting unless provoked. We are working on the assumption that a nest or hive in the area has been disrupted and caused it." In the autopsy, it was determined that the bees sting the eyes of the penguins. A large number of dead bees were also found at the scene, as honeybees died after stinging them.